Hello and welcome, this is Kevin, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create a webinar funnel using the System platform. And we will start here. We're in sites, we're in sales funnels. So I'm going to come over, you want to come click create in the upper right hand corner, and you want to name the funnel. We will call this webinar demo. We've selected our domain already under funnel domain. Now we're going to come down and click run an evergreen webinar. Then you want to click currency and select your currency. After you select your currency, you want to click save. Now we're going to come in, we're going to click on webinar demo, which is the funnel we have just created. And you have a 3-page template that's already set up for you. Registration page, a thank you page, and a broadcast page. We'll start here at the webinar registration page, and you want to find a template that you want to use for your front page or your opt-in page for your webinar. I am going to select this one, and I'm going to click view funnel step. Yes, I will use this one for my registration page. Now we'll come down to the webinar thank you page and click there. And we will select a template for a thank you page. And I will select this one for the thank you page. And now we'll click on the broadcast page. And we will select, I'll select this one for the broadcast page. Let's view that funnel step. And here you see the funnel step. It has a countdown timer before it goes to the template. So you'll be able to preview what that looks like. And that's the experience that your user will have. And here you have a video. Let's go back to the thank you page and view that funnel step. So we'll have our registration page, thank you page, and our actual webinar broadcast page. So what I want to show you here, let's go back to the registration page and let's click on edit page. And here what you want to do, of course, you want to edit your page here. And what you want to make sure is on your button for your webinar. This is going to be a pop-up. So I'm going to click on that button, and as you can see, under button it says action. When button is clicked, it says show pop-up. Underneath where it says pop-up, it shows you pop-up number 1. If you click, there's a drop-down menu. So if you have created more than one pop-up, you could select it from here. However, since there's only one pop-up, we will edit the pop-up also. So you come up to the top, the pop-ups, and click on it. Select the pop-up, pop-up number 1, and it opens. And this is what the registration page will look like. So you want to make sure that you are editing the pop-up if you select a page that has a pop-up. Now you want to come down to the button on the pop-up and click there also, because you have to make sure that you give this button the instruction that you want it to follow for the system to follow what you want this button to do. So we come over, action when button clicked, submit form, which is exactly what we want. Then what do you want after the registration? You want them to go to the next step, because the next step is going to be your thank you page. So you want to make sure that that is correct. Then you click off of the form to close that. We will click save. We will do save and exit. Now we will come to the thank you page. Click on the thank you page, come over, click edit page. And here you should not have too much to do other than making sure that you, of course, you want to edit your text here and customize it according to what your webinars are going to be. But there should be nothing here. I selected a page where there's nothing to click or change other than editing the text to correspond to the actual dates and times for the webinar that I would have for this funnel. Save, exit. And then we come to the webinar broadcast page, click there, come over, click edit page. And here, all you will need to do is upload a video. So we'll click on the video. As you can see, you come over here to where it says video type, direct link. It shows a YouTube video here. You can use a YouTube video under direct link or upload file. You come to upload file under video. You have a upload icon here. You would click that icon. Then you would come to either click here to upload your videos, or if you've already uploaded a video, you can come here to your videos. You can select that video. Then you can insert that video and give it time to upload. After it is uploaded, Then all you have to do is save and exit. So the webinar registration page, I'll just refresh that. I didn't change anything other than let's click on the button. There's the pop-up. Then of course you want to come in here and you want to test it and click save my spot. And as you can see from there, it goes to the thank you page. Now you know how to set up your funnel correctly, and you should also have it set up to where the email that is delivered will send them a link for them to click on the webinar when the webinar is about to begin. So let's check on the broadcast page here. Let's let it count down. And here it brings us to the webinar page. There is a mute icon. You click on that.
Good morning, lead creators. Philip here. So this
and it
here
goes
is
to
only
the video.
for the eye.
So that is what I wanted to show you. I'm not going very in depth. I wanted to make sure I show you how you make sure that your registration page, your thank you page are connected, and that you how to upload a video for a broadcast page. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to go more in depth to help you understand how you connect your automations and everything else that you'll need for your webinar. So once again, this is how quickly and easily you can create a webinar by using the templates that are already available when you select a Evergreen webinar with the System system. So I hope this is helping. I hope this is making sense. If you're getting any value from this, please comment, like, share, subscribe. More importantly, if you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description. Sign up for a free System.io account. Come back to the channel, select the video that you want to try, and follow the steps in the video to set these things up for yourself for whatever funnel you would like to try. So once again, thank you for watching. This is Kevin. See you in the next video.